Hi everyone, today I'm going to review the Majora's Mask Link Amiibo for Nintendo Wii U, 3DS, and Switch. If at any point during this video you find yourself interested in picking up this Amiibo for yourself and getting it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Today we're diving into the magical world of The Legend of Zelda with a special treat for all you Zelda fans out there. If you've ever wondered how to enhance your gaming experience on the Nintendo Switch, Wii U, or 3DS, stick around because we're about to explore the Majora's Mask Link Amiibo. This isn't just any Amiibo. This is the Majora's Mask Link Amiibo from the beloved Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask. It features Link in his Goron mask form, a key part of his quest to save Termina. And let me tell you, this Amiibo is more than just a collectible. It's packed with features that can take your gaming experience to the next level. So how does this Amiibo enhance your gameplay? When you tap the Goron Link Amiibo on your Nintendo Switch, Wii U, or 3DS, you unlock unique in-game bonuses. Imagine discovering new characters, unlocking special game modes, or even getting exclusive items. The Goron mask in particular allows Link to transform into the powerful Goron Darmani, which can give you a significant edge in your game. But that's not all. This Amiibo is designed to be compatible with a range of Nintendo systems. Whether you're playing on the Switch, Wii U, or 3DS, you can tap this Amiibo to the NFC touchpoint and instantly access its special features. Plus, if you're a collector, this figure is a stunning addition to your collection, with its high-quality design and detailed craftsmanship. Customers rave about the quality and value of this Amiibo. Many highlight its impressive appearance and functionality, making it a must-have for Zelda enthusiasts and Amiibo collectors alike. It's worth every penny and truly brings a piece of the Majora's Mask world into your gaming setup. Now, while this Amiibo is fantastic, there's one thing to keep in mind. Some customers have mentioned mixed opinions on the condition upon arrival. So, if you're purchasing online, it's a good idea to check the seller's ratings and return policies to ensure you get the best possible experience. Overall, the Majora's Mask Link Amiibo is a brilliant addition to any Zelda fan's collection. It not only enhances your gameplay, but also serves as a beautiful collectible that captures the essence of Link's adventure in Termina. And if you'd like to get this Amiibo for yourself at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.